Hey guys, welcome to Doctor's Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how to use HubSpot CRM for beginners. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. In this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and cover anything that you need to know about HubSpot CRM features and how to make the most of this powerful tool for your business. So if you're interested in using this to manage your business effectively, just go ahead and keep watching this video. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just head onto HubSpot, search this into your local browser so that you get redirected onto this page. And if you're not familiar with this tool, just a quick overview. This is actually a user-friendly tool designed to help businesses and manage their customer relationships more effectively. So this serves as a central hub for organizing and tracking interactions with customers, leads, and contacts. So with this, you can store and access essential information about your customers, including their details, communication, and history, and other relevant data. So this will simplify the process of managing sales, marketing, and customer service activities, making it easier to nurture leads, close deals, and provide excellent customer support. It also offers tool for creating marketing campaigns, email automation, and tracking sales details. In simple terms, this is a valuable tool that will help your business build and maintain strong relationship with their customers while streamlining their operation. So for you to be able to get started for this, just simply click onto the Get Started. It's free so that you could go ahead and create an account on HubSpot CRM. Now signing up is just completely easy. You're just gonna go ahead and create your free account 100% free with no credit card needed. You'll actually have the option for that to continue with your email, continue with your Microsoft account, or just type in your email address so that you could go ahead and verify it. So HubSpot is actually committed to your privacy. HubSpot uses the information you provide to contact you about relevant content, products, and services. You may unsubscribe from this communication at any time. And for more information, you could just check out their privacy policy here onto the bottom part. And personally, I always try to use the continue with Google option so that I don't have to remember my email or password or any username. I'll just gonna go ahead and try to choose the account that I wanna use. Now the next thing that we'll do is to complete your account profile. So we're just gonna go ahead and fill out personal details. This would include what is your name. We're just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. Then click on to next, and then right after it will ask you what industry are you in. So you'll just have to choose it in here. We could try to have this technology and services, which best describes your role. You could have in here freelancer and what is your company name. So you could just try to add in here NA since we don't have a company name, and how many people works at your company. Let's add just me. And then what is your company website? So I'll just add a domain here. Now it will also ask you based on your location, where would you like your data to be hosted? So you could choose from US or Europe. For that, we'll just go ahead with US. And to click create account, you should agree to the HubSpot customer terms of service. So let's just go ahead and completely create our account. So you can see we've gone ahead and successfully created it. And right after that, you will receive another set of questions as well so that they could go ahead and try to change the settings onto how they can help you better. So which of this sounds most like you? So we're gonna go ahead with I have never used a CRM before. Click onto that, and then right after it will redirect you onto the get started page. So there is actually a quick demo if you're new. So they will show you your all-in-one CRM and will help you be an expert multitasker with marketing, sales, service, and website tools. So this will take about 3 minutes, and we could just try to skip that for now. Now it will ask you, what do you want to set up first? So we're gonna go ahead and try to choose sales in here since we're actually using this for your small business. By clicking onto this, they will help you set up your dashboard to achieve the right help that you need. So as you can see, if you click onto this, it will help you create a custom pipeline and never lose track of a sale again, reach out and schedule meetings without leaving your account, and forecast performance and track your goals with the reports dashboard. Choose a website, and we're gonna go ahead and click on to get started. Just a quick overview as well onto the dashboard of HubSpot. You have onto the upper part the contacts. So for you to be able to add in some contacts, you'll just head here, the contacts, companies, calls, activity feed, and list. You also have the conversations in here so that you can view the inbox, chat flows, snippets, templates, marketing, where you could see the ads, email, landing page, website, social, SEO, campaigns, design tools and forms, the sales so that you could prospect deals, forecast, task, documents, meeting, payments, playbooks, products and codes. You also have the services. You can see the tickets in here, feedback surveys, knowledge base, customer portal, automation for the sequence and workflows, and the reporting for the analytics tool, dashboard reports, and data management. So you could actually see a search bar in here so that you could go ahead and search for the things that you want to see onto your account. And here onto the upper part, you could see the calling icon, the marketplace, the help settings, a notification, and your account settings. So if you want to upgrade to a different plan here onto HubSpot, you just click on to upgrade in here. And currently we're using the free tools for foundational tools to get you started. And the starter, which is essential marketing, sales, service, CMS, and operation software, which starts at $20 per month. So you could choose to pay it monthly and pay upfront, and just click on to buy now if you want to use this certain feature. So these include this following features in here, and you can see all the features as well and compare the plans in detail. So these are the free usage limits, the features, and the comparison here onto the left side. So the Power of CRM Suite Starter, we have the marketing, sales, service, CMS, operation, and commerce. So you could just explore the different things in here so that you get redirected onto the things that you want to do onto CRM. So let's head back here onto the dashboard, and let's just go ahead and start to set up the basics in here. So let's click onto start task. Now you'll just need to follow the things that are in here. Then right after that, you're all set onto the basic. So we're going to go ahead to continue to close more deals faster with sales tool. So let's go ahead and head here onto the sales tool. Now the first thing that you'll need to do is to create a custom pipeline, never lose track of sales again. So we're going to go ahead and click onto that. So you're just going to click onto each prompt in here so that it would help you set up. So answering the questions that we have earlier will really help you out. So as you can see, if you click the steps to that, is just naming your new pipeline, defining your deal stages, create your first deal, and that's basically it on to setting up pipeline. Now let's head to the next task that we have in here. We have the quickly connect with leads. So if you click onto that, you could just connect your inbox. So you could try out the new Teams new email tool. So you could connect your inbox. If you click in here, install the sales extension. It helps you send faster, better email with tracking templates and productivity tools right inside your inbox. Just click onto here, and then you could set up your meeting links as well. Schedule appointments faster without the back and forth. You could just set up link here if you want to do so. So these are the features that are included for that. It will allow contacts to schedule meetings by connecting your calendar, sharing your link on your website, emails, and many more. You could also customize the meeting by setting your availability, duration, and schedule preferences. And if you need help setting up your meeting link, they will also guide you through in just a few steps. So that is what I think is best into HubSpot. Everything that you do in here, there's actually a step-by-step guide on how to do this, or there are a lot of demos that would really help you out onto understanding how this works. So lastly, onto the sales tool, we're just gonna go ahead and close deals in here by creating a sales reporting dashboard. So let's go ahead and create a dashboard for that. Now finally in here, you could go ahead and create a dashboard, add in some action, share this onto your different devices. You could copy URL this, email this to dashboard, add in a report. You could also have a quick filter in here. You could see the dashboard filters and the contacts created and break totals with deals created. You could also see the revenue, close totals versus the goal, and your team activity totals. And that's just basically it. Onto the beginner's guide to using HubSpot CRM. So you've learned how to set up your account and track your progress to help you streamline your business processes and grow your business. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.